All right, 3M 800 AF case sealer, starting from the front to back, things that the guys had to install or need to. We have some sensors down here that will get mounted on the conveyor coming in. These sensors are for the energy saver, which will turn the belts off after approximately 10 seconds. Start-stop button to turn the machine on and off. Emergency stop button, along with the doors, have emergency stops to shut the machine down. Below this e-stop is an on-off for the energy saver. If this is turned on, when that photo eye is not blocked, the belts will stop running. When it's turned off, the belts will just keep running continuously. Inside, this machine is set up for low case weight, so it has photo eyes, 2 of them that are sensing the case coming in, which will get used for the stopping gate and also for the kicker arm. The other setup has pneumatic valves, which are located down the bottom. Flow control for your kicker arm for the speeds in and out are located underneath this cover on the ends of the cylinder. Handle for up and down should be a washer underneath with a thumb screw up on the top. In and out handle with a bolt to lock it down in place. Tape head. This nut is used for controlling how freely the tape roll spins. What we're looking for is when we pull tape through, we don't want a whole bunch spinning off. We just want it to stop fairly quickly. When you're threading the tape through, the adhesive side will only touch on the knurled rollers. The smooth side will touch on the smooth rollers. There is a diagram that shows which way the tape direction flows. Side holders for the case. These knobs to hold them tight, slide in and out. This is one of the adjustments that's needed for changing box sizes, along with the width of the belts and the height of the head. This machine is set up with a low tape sensor. Here's the control box for that, plugged into its own 120 volt circuit. This photo eye for the lower tape sensor was removed because this machine is not using a lower tape head. The other photo eye behind the tape roll will sense when that tape roll is low. When the tape roll gets light, orange light. When the tape roll gets low, the orange light will go off, signaling to the operators. This box is not mounted in the normal location because they're not using a lower tape head. It could not be located down where it typically would go when you had a lower tape head. So setting up for a different size case, we're going to put a case in here. Power's off right now. We're going to get the belts adjusted to the size of the case. We do that right here, in or out. Try and get it down to the point it grabs the case. At that point, we can close it up. And we're just going to run it in a little bit so we can get up to the point where we can adjust the case height. Starting it, letting it come up somewhere in here where now we can drop the head down till we get to the correct height. We're going to close it up and run it a little further forward. We'll stop the case in this area so we can adjust our side holders. And there's one on the other side as well. At that point, we have a nicely sealed case.